Hello everyone, I am back once again to help you out with a new tutorial video about how to download Splitwise app. If you are watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new informative videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we have to open Play Store. As you can see, there is one search button where you have to type Splitwise, Splitwise. Splitwise app will appear on your screen and you have to click on install. Within few seconds, your Splitwise app will be downloaded. So this was it. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. You can see the downloaded app on your home screen now. Make sure to subscribe and see you in next video. Bye bye.